3Devo was founded here in the Netherlands with a very clear idea, and that was to help people create their own 3D printing filaments. So today marks the 10-year anniversary, and we're celebrating working 10 years with teams all over the world to accelerate their material innovation and decentralize the filament production, and of course enable plastics recycling. And this is something we're very proud of. What you will see here is how we design, build and test our machines here in the Netherlands. Over the past 10 years, we've installed more than 3,000 extrusion and recycling systems in more than 40 countries all over the world. And we're proud to say that our academia clients have published over 1,000 research papers, all using our machines. We're not just building machines though. To be truly impactful, we have to be material experts as well. So that's why our lab is such an important part of what we do. When you look at this lineup, you can really see the story of 3Devo. What started with an idea slowly evolved into an industrial filament making system. So every version taught us something, we made mistakes, we iterated, and that's how we got to a wonderful product.
Here, we work on the next generation of 3Devo technologies. With over 10 years of experience in internal testing, material validations, and customer feedback, we keep improving our technology for real-world applications. For us, it's not just about adding features. It's about providing real solutions to process, recycle, validate, and produce filaments with confidence.
This marks 10 years of building and working and improving with people who dare to innovate. Thank you to everyone who has been a part of the first 10 years, and now we're building what comes next.